Are you juggling a 9-to-5 job and dreaming of financial freedom? If yes, start a side hustle online. With a few hours a day, you can build a digital business that creates extra income and eventually replaces your job. Imagine having the flexibility to work from anywhere while spending more time with your family. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not just a dream. Our proven strategies have helped countless moms just like you. Here's how. First, visit www.fideliautumn.com. Second, click on the Show Me How button, register your email, watch the webinars, and third, get access to leverage digital tools to simplify your workflow. Why wait for financial freedom when it's right at your fingertips? Don't let the 9-to-5 hold you back. Unlock your potential and take the first step today. Visit www.fideliautumn.com for more information and start your journey towards financial freedom now, because every mom deserves to thrive.